Hello students, today I will take your English grammar and the chapter I was taking, that is nouns, and all of you open page number 16 of your grammar book, and all of you will be mute your camera and microphones. Open page number 16 and I have done up to 7 and from today I will do from number 8. Mark it in your book. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 nose. Yes, here naming words are eyes, ears, nose. Yes, Abhida. Yes. Eyes, ears and nose. Name of body parts. All of you turn off your camera and mute microphones, okay? Number 9. Rama and Lakshmana went to the forest with Sita. Yes, Amida, Rama, Lakshmana, forest and Sita. Very good. So, yes, Rama, Lakshmana, forest and Sita will be underlined. Here, these are naming words. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita we all know are the names, and forest is the name of a place. Number 10. Okay, Agnisha, let me come to the number 10. Let me write, then you will tell the answer. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose were great leaders. Yes, Srijita, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. The names should be underlined. Okay. Underline these. They are not will be leader. It will be only Mahatma Gandhi. No, it will not be leaders. It will be Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. Why are you chatting in the chat box? Concentrate on the class. No one will chat in the chat box. Concentrate in the class and just only tell the answers what I am saying. Okay, now I am erasing it. Number 11. I bought bread, jam and eggs from the bakery. Yes, the answer bread, jam, eggs, bakery. Avida, Agnisha, Srijita, Abhirup, Anish, good. Here bread, jam, eggs and bakery are naming words, means nouns. Bread, jam and eggs are name of things and bakery name of a place. Yes. Yes, Aniruddha, good. Number 12. His uncles and aunts went to meet his parents. Naming words are yes. Yes. Obiru, Pabida, uncle, aunt, parents. Yes. Aniruddha, Anish, good. Here the naming words are uncles, aunts and parents. Number 13. The merchant sold the diamonds in another country. Here the naming words are yes, Aniruddha, Anish, Abhida. Say good. Merchant, diamond and country. Very good. All of you are correct. Merchant, diamond and country. Good. Okay, all of you have marked it. I'm erasing now. Let me first write the question, then you will tell the answer, okay? The India Gate, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, are some historical places. Yes, answers are coming. Historical places of Delhi. Yes, Srijita, India Gate, Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Delhi. Avirup. Yes. Abhida, yes. Good. Agnisha, Aniruddha, Anish. Good. All of you are correct. India Gate, Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Delhi. These are naming words here. Number 15. They sold away their refrigerator, air conditioner, television and computer. Yes, Avirup, refrigerator, air conditioner, television, computer. Correct. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television. Yes. Yes, here refrigerator, air conditioner, television and computer are naming words. Okay, clear? reading now. Okay, let's see the D part. So from the C, all the 15s are completed, 15 questions. Let's see the D part. I will discuss a small part of it today, and here the heading is underline the nouns in the following story. So from this story we have to underline. Okay, let's discuss it today and we will do in the next class. Chunmun was a little butterfly. Here the naming word can be Chunmun and butterfly. Okay, let's write it. Chunmun was a little butterfly. In this first sentence, nouns are Chunmun and butterfly. Yes, she was different. She was different from all her friends. Yes. Here friends will be naming words in this sentence. Her wings were white. Her wings were white. So here the naming words are, yes, wings and white. Wings and white. And in this line, naming words, nouns are wings and white. And the next line, she had no colors on her body. So she was always sad. So she was always sad. Here the naming words are colors, body. Yes, Srijita. Here colors and body. Chunbun was a little butterfly. Here the nouns are Chunbun and butterfly. She was different from all her friends. Friends is a noun here. Her wings were white. Wings and white are nouns here. She had no colors on her body. Here the nouns are colors and body. So she was always sad. Okay. So these are the two lines from here, and the next paras I will do in your next classes. If you can do that, you can do at your home, and I will discuss these in your next classes. Okay. Practice these and these parts also very well at your home. Today is up to this. All of you study well at your home. Be safe and thank you for today. Bye.